Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring the basics are ready. Windows updates installed, enough disk space, and your Microsoft account credentials at hand. Once confirmed, open OneDrive settings and note the account and version. This helps diagnose mismatches. Pause sync to prevent conflicts, then exit the OneDrive app so files won't change during fixes. If you have unsynced work, back it up to a separate folder now, because you'll be restarting services and possibly resetting the app. Now you'll attempt repair steps that resolve most issues. Go to Settings, Apps, find Microsoft OneDrive, choose Repair first. If problems persist, choose Reset. This won't delete online files. Next, flush caches with WS Reset and confirm your network, proxy, and DNS settings so OneDrive can reach Microsoft servers. Also inspect file path lengths, illegal characters, and storage quota. These often block sync. Make sure selective sync settings include the folders you need, because exclusions can look like failure. Finish by signing back into OneDrive and enabling sync for desired folders. Give it a few minutes to reconcile changes. Check the OneDrive icon. Green means synced, blue arrows mean syncing, and red indicates errors, so you know the state at a glance. If issues continue, unlink the account, uninstall and reinstall OneDrive, then sign in again. One key troubleshooting tip. If sync keeps failing, create a new Windows user account and test OneDrive there. This isolates profile-specific corruption quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.